In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge expense reports in Expensify. This process is quite straightforward, and by following this guide, you will efficiently manage and organize your expenses in no time. Let's begin. You'll first want to navigate to the Reports and Expenses section. If you're using the web version, you'll find the navigation tabs conveniently located on the left side of your screen. For those using the mobile app, these tabs are positioned at the bottom. So, go ahead and click on the Reports tab and then select Expenses. Once you're in the Expenses section, you'll need to identify the specific expense you want to merge from. Tap on this expense to open its details. The expense you choose here will be the main one that you're going to merge with another, so make sure you've selected the correct one. Next, look for the More button. Once you tap on this option, you'll find a list of additional actions you can take. Here, you will select Merge to proceed to the next step in this process. It's time to choose another eligible expense that you would like to merge with the one you initially selected. It's worth noting that you can only select one additional expense for merging. The expenses will be pre-sorted by date, starting with the newest. You may find that sometimes there just aren't any eligible matches for merging. If this is the case, you will receive a message notifying you about the absence of suitable expenses to merge. If you encounter any confusion or need further clarification, there's always the option to learn more about eligible expenses from the provided links. Now, onto the finer details of your expenses. If only one of the expenses has a receipt attached to it, Expensify will automatically select that one for you. However, if both expenses happen to have respective receipts, you will be asked to make a choice as to which one you'd like to use moving forward. Once you've got the receipts in order, you'll need to determine which specific details you want to maintain from each of the expenses you are merging. These details might include things like the merchant name, the total amount, or the category the expense falls under. Think carefully about the information that is most crucial for your records. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the selections and choices you've made, tap Continue to move ahead. You'll then be prompted to confirm all these decisions. Once you do that, the merge will be complete. And there you have it. You've successfully merged your expenses in Expensify. By following these steps, you can avoid any unnecessary duplication and streamline your expense reporting process. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for using Expensify and other tools efficiently.